Speculation swirls around the future of Mamelodi Sundowns stars Khuliso Mudau, Lucas Ribeiro Costa, and Peter Shalulile. Legendary club figure Roger has delivered a clear message to would-be suitors: be prepared to pay what they are worth. The trio's absence in Sundowns' dominant MTN 8 quarterfinal victory over Richards Bay FC on Sunday has only fueled transfer rumors. Footballer of the season Ribeiro is believed to be on the radar of Qatar outfits and Brazilian side Fluminense. Shalulile, the club's all-time leading goalscorer, is reportedly being quoted by Tunisian giants Esperance, while Mudau remains locked in contract negotiations with the club. Speaking on the situation, he acknowledged the inevitability of player movement in the modern game, but underlined the importance of valuing the club's investment and said that's professional football. People come and go. Mudau is an outstanding right back. Ribeiro was phenomenal last season, and Shalulile continues to be among the top strikers in the league. Naturally, they will attract interest. Footmba, however, was quick to point out that the club had made significant financial commitments to bring these players to Klokop in the first place, and said before joining Sundowns, these players were elsewhere. The club has spent money and time integrating them, nurturing them into stars. It's only fair that should they move on, the club recoup value in return. Football is not just a sport, it's a business. While expressing hope that the key trio remain with the reigning DStv Premiership champions, he concluded that the greener pastures may be calling, and said I'd be happy if they stayed, no doubt, but I'd understand if they pursued big opportunities. Especially Mudau, I genuinely believe he has what it takes to succeed on any stage. His comments come amid mounting uncertainty, with fans eager for clarity. However, head coach Miguel Cardoso remained tight-lipped, carefully navigating questions about the player's absence following the weekend clash. Roger has since urged patience and perspective from the fan base and broader football community, noting the delicate balance the club must strike between competitive ambition and financial sustainability, and said Sundowns has every right to demand a fair price. They've built a winning culture through heavy investment that can't be ignored. These decisions aren't made lightly. They're about what's best for both the players and the club. As the transfer window heats up, one thing is clear: any club looking to poach from the Brazilians will need to bring more than just interest. They'll need to bring their checkbooks. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.